Hello everyone. In this video we are going to share one Silver Zone STEM Innovation Olympia 2024-25 for class 1. Let's see. It is divided into 3 sections. Section A containing 7 questions of science, Section B containing 10 questions of technology and engineering, Section C containing 8 questions of mathematics. Question number 1. Which of the following is not one of the characteristics of the non-living things? Options given are A. They don't need food, B. They don't grow, C. They don't feel anything if you hurt them, D. They feel pain if you hurt them. We have to find out the not one of the characteristics. So D is not the characteristics of non-living things. They feel pain if you hurt them. This is incorrect. Question number 2. Identify the animal shown below. A picture of animal has been given. Options given are A. Anteater, B. Sloth, C. Platypus, D. Pangolin. As per the picture, it is platypus. Option C. Question number 3. Which of the following pair is incorrect? A. Option milk is to animal, B. Option meat is to animal, C. Option fiber is to plant, D. Option ghee is to plant. It is incorrect. Ghee is not given by the plants. So option D. Question number 4. Which of the following plant parts is known as the kitchen of the plant? Options given are A. It is a flower image has been shown, B. Image of leaves has been shown, C. Image of root has been shown, and D. Image of stem has been shown. And we know leaves are the kitchen of the plant, so option B is correct. Question number 5. Which of the following organs help in the digestion of food? Options given are with the pictures A. Stomach has been given, B. Brain has been given, C. Picture of heart has been given, and in D. Picture of lungs has been given. For the digestion of food, we need stomach. So A is the correct option. Question number 5. Water is to drinking, so air is to dash. Options given are A. Sailing, B. Breathing, C. Washing, D. Bathing. As we drink water, similarly we breathe air. So the option B is correct. Question number 7. In which of the following activities water is not required? A. Picture is given of bathing, B. Picture is given for cooking, C. Picture is given for flying kite, D. Picture is given for washing clothes. Correct option is C. Flying kite. We do not use water in flying kite. Coming to section B. Technology and engineering. Question number 8. What is the main function of a keyboard? Options given are A. To click on icons, B. To type letters and numbers, C. To store files, D. To display information. As we know, with the help of keyboard we can type letters and numbers, so option B is correct. Question number 5. Identify the given image and select its name. As we can see the image, and from the options given, we can say it is the image of a keyboard, so the option A is correct. Question number 10. What is the use of a monitor? Options given are A. It is used to display the result of the input, B. It is used to open a file, C. It is used to type letters, D. It is used to listen music. Correct option is A. It is used to display the result of the input. Question number 11. Which of the following options is not a use of a computer? A. Playing games, B. Visiting markets, C. Drawing pictures, D. Watching videos. From the given options, we cannot visit markets using computer. So option B is correct. Question number 12. Which device can use AI? Options given are A. Mobile phone, B. Water bottle, C. Book, D. Table. From the given options, a mobile phone can use AI, that is artificial intelligence. Question number 13. Identify the relationship of the given pair and find the missing term. Options given are with the pictures, shoes is to cobbler, and in the same way shirt is to dash. As shoes is stitched by the cobbler, similarly shirt is stitched by the tailor. Option in from the given options, from the pictures, B picture is the correct. So option B is correct. Question number 14. Find the odd one out. A. Book, B. A pencil picture is given, C. A pen picture is given, D. A chalk picture is given. Except A is odd one out because except A, all the three are used to write, like pen, pencil, and chalk. But on book we write. On book we write. So it is odd one out. So option A is correct. Question number 15. Find the missing term in the given pattern. Terms given are A, B, 2, B, C, 4, C, D, 6, D, E, 8, E, F, 10. If we see the pattern from first letter, first number, first word, we can say first is A, then B, C, D, E. Then next coming will be F. And from the second number, second letter, we can say it is B in every pattern. Then it is C, D, E, F. So in the coming pattern it will be G. If we count for the digits 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, it is the table of 2. So in the coming pattern it will be 12. The option will be D, F, G, 12. Correct option is D. Question number 16. 6 friends are standing in a line. We can see 6 friends are standing in a line from left hand. Question asked is, who among the following is fourth from right hand? When we count from right hand, first is Soni, second is Kashi, third is Joya, and fourth is Moni. So the correct option is C, Moni. Question number 17. How many triangles are there in the given figure? If we count the number of triangles, 1, 2, 3 on the top, 2 ears, 5, and 2 mouths are given, 7, and 2 body are given, 9. So the option 9 is correct. Question number 18. Which of the following clock shows 1:15 time? From the given clocks, if we see, option D is correct. It is showing 1:15. Question number 19. Identify the wrong statement. Options given are, from the pictures, abacuses are given. Tens. In first abacus, 3 tens are there. And when we count on the ones, there are 6. But the number written is 35. So it is incorrect. Similarly, when we count on A, B, C, and D options, we will get C as the correct answer. On tens place, it is 4, and on ones place, it is 5. So the correct option is 45. Question number 20. Which one of the following options is incorrect? Options given are A, 9 is greater than 7, B, 12 is equal to 12, C, 10 is smaller than 15, and last option D, 3 is greater than 6. From the given options, if we see, A is correct, 9 is greater than 7, yes, 12 is equal to 12, yes, 10 is smaller than 15, it is also correct, only option D is incorrect. 3 is not greater than 16, so it is incorrect. Question number 21. Which of the following shapes has no corners and no edges? As we know, only circle and oval are the shapes which has no corner and no edges. All the shapes have corners as well as edges. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 22. Which month comes before September? When we go along the name of the months, we will get August before September, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. So August comes before September. So the correct option is B. Question number 23. Arrange the following doors in descending order of size and choose the correct option. As we see, 4 doors have been given and we have to arrange them in descending order. Descending order means the doll of the highest height, highest taller one will come first, and the doll with the lowest height, smaller one will go at the last. And if we see the options, the B is correct. So number 24. Sunita purchased 39 pencils and 29 pens. What is the total number of pens and pencils are purchased? For this, we have to add both the numbers 39 and 29, and we will get 68 as the answer. So correct option is C. Question number 25. Which of the following is equal to 5 less than 50? 5 less than 50 means 45. From the given options, we have to count out the total money. By adding all the options one by one, we will get D as the correct option by adding 20 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, and we will get 45 as the answer. So option D is correct.